Am I audible to you now? Hello,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes.
See, we have solved this question, right? Up to here we have solved. 10, 10 पर्यंत. Okay, 11th not solved yet, no? Hmm. So let's solve this one. Hmm? Cos 27 plus sin 27 upon cos 27 minus sin 27 is equal to tan 72. 11.
हाँ.
Cos 27 plus sin 27 upon cos 27. Try to do it along with me. Tell me the steps at least. Later on, if you don't want to write or you are not able to write now, then make notes of it later on. I will share the recording with you. Okay.
Oh,
So notes you can make it later. You can just dictate and tell me. We can solve simultaneously by discussion.
okay.
Hmm. Cos 27 minus sin 27 is equal to, we need to prove it, tan 72 degree. Okay, now see, convert, let's convert it into tan theta. Okay, let's start with LHS, which is equals to cos 27 plus sin 27 upon cos 27 minus sin 27. Right, now take cos 27 common from numerator, cos 27. Okay, then in bracket what will remain? Here cos 27, this thing is taken common, 1 plus sin 27 divided by cos 27. Is it clear? Divided by, again take cos 27 from denominator, then in bracket what will remain? 1 minus sin 27 upon cos 27. Okay, see this, cos 27, cos 27 can be cancelled. Then what else is remaining? 1 plus this sin 27 upon cos 27 can be written like tan 27 degree upon 1 minus tan 27 degree. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, in place of 1, we take tan 45, as this measure is in degree, no? So in place of 1, we take tan 45. So it is tan 45 plus tan 27 upon degrees upon 1 minus tan 45, it is 1 into tan 27 degree. So it is equals to what? Tan A equals to 45 degree, B equals to 27 degree. So it becomes what? Tan A plus B. Since tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Is it clear? So it is equals to what? Tan. What is 27 plus 45? Yes, what is it?
72.
72, and which is nothing but RHS. Okay. So this you can skip while watching the video. You can skip and write it down. Make a note. Hmm? Let's go towards next question now. We have to prove now. Second question number 12. What is it? See, question number 12. Tan 10 plus tan 35 plus tan 10 into tan 35 is equal to 1. What? Tan 10 plus tan 35 plus tan 10 into tan 35 is equals to 1. This is what we have to prove now. Okay. Again, use that trick that we did in two questions. Two of it. See, in this question and in this question. Now we will use this trick to solve this question as well. Okay. As this. Since 45 degree equals to what? 10 degree plus 35 degree. Right? Therefore, tan 45 degree is equals to tan 10 plus 35, which is equals to, again by using same formula, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Using that formula, tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So it is equal to what? Shift this towards left side. This denominator shifted towards left side. Here tan 45, this value is to be 1. Tan 45 is equals to 1. So it is 1 into this, shift this towards left side. So 1 equals to, sorry, 1 minus tan 10 into tan 35 is equals to tan 10 plus tan 35. Now this has negative sign, shift it towards right side. We get 1 is equals to tan 10 plus tan 35 plus tan 10 into tan 35. Is it clear? Which is as per the requirement of the question. Have you understood this?
Yes.
Go through it later on. Okay. As you are not feeling well right
Oh,
now. Later on, while writing this into notes, when we are going to meet offline, the offline session will be there on Monday, Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I will
yeah.
check this. Okay. On Tuesday, I will check this. Okay. Or if the online session held tomorrow, I will check it tomorrow.
No, tomorrow we'll meet only on Tuesday.
On Tuesday. Okay. Chale. Next. Question number. Next, which question is there? This 13th. Example number 13. Sorry. 13. See, we have to prove cot A into cot 4A plus 1. Cot A into cot 4A plus 1 divided by cot A into cot 4A minus 1. Cot A into cot 4A minus 1 is equal to cos 3A divided by cos 5A. Cos 3A divided by cos 5A. Okay, let's get started with LHS. Now you dictate LHS with me. You say after me, repeat after me. Yes, read it aloud after me. I'm not able to hear you.
Cot A into cot 4A plus 1 upon cot A into cot 4A minus 1.
Okay. Now to show it is equal to cos. See, here there is cos, here also there is cos. We need to convert this cot into sine and cos. So let's convert it into sine A and cos A. Okay. Then it becomes what? Cot theta. Since, let me write here, since cot theta is equals to sine theta divided by cos theta, right? So it becomes cos it becomes what? Cos A upon sin A into cos 4A upon sin 4A plus 1 divided by cos A upon sin A into cos 4A upon sin 4A minus 1. Are you able to catch this? Have you understood?
Yes.
Minus 1. Okay. Now, this gives us what? Let's take LCM of numerators, denominator terms. Okay. Then by cross multiplication and simplifying it further, we get what? Cos A into cos 4A plus this 1 has denominator 1, no? Then by cross multiplication in the numerator, we give us sin A into sin 4A. This whole thing divided by, now denominator is taken common, sin A into sin 4A. This whole thing divided by, again, cos A into cos 4A minus sin A into sin 4A divided by sin A into sin 4A. Now we have taken denominator common. The sin A can cancel with the sin A. Sin 4A can cancel with the sin 4A. Now what else is remaining? The remaining parts are this. Cos A into cos 4A plus sin A into sin 4A divided by cos A into cos 4A minus sin A into sin 4A. This is only remaining. Okay. Now take this as, let's write this like this first, cos 4A. Okay. Let me write it here only. In place of cos A, let me write it cos 4a. Just by shuffling, see, cos 4a into cos a. Here, cos 4a into cos a. Just 4a is taken first, after that a. Here also, sin 4a into sin a and sin 4a into sin a. Right? Then this is what? This is looking like what? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. It is nothing but cos a minus b. Right? And in the
Yes.
denominator it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It is nothing but cos a plus b. Since we have used this formula, cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And whenever there is minus, there is plus here. So we have used this formula. Now this gives us what? Cos 4a minus a 3a divided by cos 4a plus a cos 5a. So it is equal to cos 3a upon cos 5a, which is equal to RHS. See, cos 3a upon cos 5a. Have you understood this? Is there any doubt in it?
No.
No, no?
No.
Okay. So shall we move ahead with the next question,
Yes.
which is this one? This last question. Cos 15 minus sin 15 upon cos 15 plus sin 15 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay. To prove, no, it's 14. Question number 14. Cos 15 minus sin 15 divided by cos 15 plus sin 15 equal to 1 upon root 3. See, we need to convert this into tan or cot. Let's convert it easily with into tan. Okay, so that by taking this cos as a common, cos 15 as a common, what else is remaining in the numerator? What else is remaining in the numerator? This cos 15 is taken common, 1 is remaining, minus sin 15 upon cos 15. This is what LHS we are started with, LHS. Sorry, I forgot to write it. So LHS is this. Okay, we are taking common from LHS. Or should I write it from the beginning? Let me write it from the beginning so that you will better understand. So consider LHS cos 15 minus sin 15 upon cos 15 plus sin 15. Now take cos 15 common, in the bracket will remain 1 minus sin 15 upon cos 15 divided by this cos 15 taken common, 1 plus sin 15 upon cos 15. Right? So this becomes what? This cos 15 cancelled, and this becomes 1 minus tan 15 upon 1 plus tan 15. But it is nothing but what? Because sine theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. Now here use tan 45 equals to 1. Okay, so this with this fact we get what? Tan 45 minus tan 15 divided by 1 plus tan 45, that is 1 into tan 15. So it is equals to tan A minus tan A minus B equals to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. With this formula, we get for A equal to 45, B equal to 30, we get it is equals to 45 tan 45 minus 15. So it is tan 30, tan 30. But tan 30 is equal to what? Tan 30 degree is equal to what? Tell me this value.
1 upon root 2.
1 upon root 3, which is nothing
Root
but
3.
RHS. So tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay, so this way we have solved two that type questions. Now question 3, do you want me to solve it now or will you try it at home and then we'll discuss when it will be an offline session?
Okay.
That question is of similar kind as we solved questions from second exercise, and I already told it that one day before, a day prior to yesterday. So later on when you feel okay, comfortable, then at that
Yes.
time try to write these questions in the notebook, make a note of it or try to solve it, and then see to see to the video for any doubt, query, whatever. Okay,
Okay.
so this is it about first exercise. Two questions are remaining and that I already gave to you as a homework. So you are going to solve that two questions.
Okay.
Now shall we move ahead with the second exercise?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start second exercise. Hmm. Trigonometric functions of allied angles. Now what are allied angles? We have seen this. We know this chart, how to use this chart. Okay, so using this chart we will now solve questions. Okay, so exercise 3.2. Question 1. See, find value of, we have to find value of first sine 690 degree. Sine 690 degree. One from the first question. sine 690 degree. Okay, now see, do some rough calculation. As 360 into 2 is equal to what? 720. Okay, so it becomes 720, and 720 means what? It means two rotations, one rotation, then second rotation, complete, right? So these two rotations gives 620 degree. Now it is less than that. The 690 is less than 200 and 720 degree. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so 720 peksha 690 is less. Okay, and hence it is slight, slight less. When we try to draw this angle, we will start with the positive direction of x-axis. We'll complete one rotation and we'll complete almost second rotation. But for second rotation, how much to complete second rotation, how much degrees are less? Let's check that. So 720 minus 690. So it is simply 30 degree less. 30 degree less. So this angle 690 will fall in the fourth quadrant. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. And that's why this angle will have now which sign? This fourth quadrant has cos and sec ratios positive, and we are finding sine ratio which is negative, which will be negative in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so write this angle sine sorry 690 degree as 720 minus 30 degree. Okay, 720 minus 30 degree. Therefore sine 690 degree is equals to sine 720 degree minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree. So this gives us what? Sine 2 pi minus 30 degree. What is sine 2 pi minus 30 degree? See, it is multiple of, even multiple of pi by 2, right? So for sine, it will be sine. For sine, it will be sine. And then it is what? Sine of minus 30, you can say, or minus of sine 30 degree is equal to minus of 1 by 2. So value of sine 690 degree turns out to be minus 1 by 2. Have you understood this discussion? Yes or no? Hello? Yes?